Come, I can ask you something. You ever hear about a convention? Well, that is when people from all over the world come together and agree on some rules, like the Convention on the Rights of the Child, which is an agreement or a promise to protect the rights of all children. Now, UNICEF want every Jamaican child to know their rights, and we're going to hear about them from children like you, so all of you can get to understand it better.
Hello, I'm Kenneth.
I'm Azana.
And I'm Gabriel. Today we are going to drop some knowledge about the rights of every picnic.
It named the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Every child under 18 deserves them rights.
No matter where you live, what you look like, or how you talk.
Whether you're a boy or girl, no care if you're rich or poor, it no matter who you be, you have rights.
From the day we born, when life matters, we deserve love, care, and a chance to grow. Your name, your family, where you come from, that's our identity. Nobody can take that from we.
You have the right to go to school, learn, and become anything you want to be.
Why are you troubling him? I will not forget beat up or rough up. Every child must get looked after and feel safe.
True. No child for being on a violence or gang thing. We must live in peace and harmony.
When we're sick, we should get proper treatment so we can be healthy, whether it's from the clinic or the hospital.
And when we feel better, people need time for play and celebrate with culture. Remember, so we need time for rest too.
You know, so sometimes we have things from the mind what we really want to talk about. Your voice is important. Make sure you talk up. Your opinion matter.
A true yata. And every child have the right to live with them parents and grow good with them family.
And disability no mean you any less. You deserve love and support, just like everybody else. We need information that's safe, helpful, and true, so we can grow and learn.
We're not supposed to hustle. No child for work like say we are big smart.
Your rights help you to become the best that you can be.
You see it? Hitting rights are human right.
That me I say too. And if anybody try this you, talk to an adult where you can trust.
Feel with rights, feel with voice, feel with future.
So now you know your rights important and you must never forget them. And we adults must always remember the promise to protect, care for, and respect every child so they can grow up safe, strong, and free.
If you feel your rights have been violated, call the hotline at 211 to report it and get help.